Amazon Subscribe and Save inside Amazon automatically reduces the price on eligible household items when you set them to repeat deliveries. But the catch is that pricing and savings change based on what's in your subscription and when it ships. By the end, you'll know 6 practical ways people use it to consistently lower their grocery and household costs while avoiding extra deliveries piling up at their door. Start with how the system actually works in your favor. Subscribe and Save is built around repeat orders, so Amazon pushes incentives like coupons and lower subscription pricing on items such as paper towels, shampoo, coffee, and cleaning supplies. The first thing to do is only subscribe to items you already buy every month. If you force new products into it, you usually end up canceling early or getting clutter. Next is timing. You don't need every item delivered on its own schedule. Group items into the same delivery window, so you can control when boxes arrive. This reduces the chance of forgetting active subscriptions and getting surprise shipments you don't need yet. Third is coupon stacking. Many Subscribe and Save products have on-page coupons you can apply before checkout. Always check the product page before you subscribe, because those coupons can change the real cost more than the subscription itself. Fourth is the first shipment strategy. A lot of people subscribe just to lock in the price on a product they already needed, then reassess after the first delivery. If the product isn't worth repeating, you can cancel before the next cycle without losing the initial purchase. Fifth is monitoring price shifts. Subscribe and Save pricing isn't fixed forever. Before each shipment, check the item's current price as a one-time purchase. If the regular price drops lower, it can make more sense to pause the subscription and reorder manually. Sixth is using it like a reminder system. Instead of treating it as automatic shopping, use it as a reorder trigger for essentials. When something runs low, you let the subscription handle the timing so you don't overbuy or run out. To sum it up, Subscribe and Save works best when you only use it for repeat essentials, actively manage delivery timing, and pay attention to coupons and price changes. The biggest mistake is setting it once and forgetting it. If you want to use it better this week, pick 3 items you already buy every month and convert only those into subscriptions, then review them before the next shipment hits. Subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.